couple in the world, Connie and Shona Ferguson. The Fergusons, as I prefer calling them. This is one couple that comes close to perfection. You know, when you are both in the spotlight, people already expect a dramatic life, but these two keep it squeaky clean. They have been together for many years and have wonderful kids, and now they are even grandparents. I put them up as my role model individually and as a couple. Connie Ferguson is known for her rich businesswoman character in the well-known soapie Generations, while Shona played the rich business mogul in the Mzansi soapie The Wild as Alex. These two are not only perfect as a couple, but they also work together even behind the scenes. It's been said that Connie is older than Shona, but with her petite figure and his well-built body, you will never see the age difference between the two. They are a definite winning couple, and whenever you read about them on tabloids, you will realize that it's always positive things. The world indeed needs more drama on the screen and no drama at home couple. I, however, wouldn't mind a reality show following their day-to-day life, even if the reality show could be just for a week. Keep kinging and queening the Fergusons.
Yeah.